Kindergarten, we are going to be on page 317 and 318 today. 317 and 318. So if you're looking at 317, it says there are 6 cows. There are 3 sheep. Draw to show how many animals there are. So you're going to just do your very best at drawing 6 cows and then 3 sheep, and then how many animals are in all. So right here, you're going to make that drawing. And again, we've been trying to draw in groups, right? So try to put your cows and then your sheep in groups, count them up, and put the number down here. And how much is 6 plus 3? To even challenge you even more, I would like for you to take those numbers and make them into an equation. And what kind of equation does this sound like it is? Does it sound like it is an addition equation or a subtraction equation? So I want you to take the 6 and the 3, put an addition or subtraction, and what does it equal? And make that addition equation. You can put it right down here at the bottom, right, of this cube, or square, sorry. It's not a cube, is it? It's not 3D. Put it right down here, put your drawing at the top, and then your equation right there. That's on 317. So next, let's go to 318. There are 9 ducks, then 6 ducks swim away. Draw to show how many ducks are left. I hear some words in there that let me know what kind of equation that is. Now to you, did you hear those words? There are 9 ducks, 6 swim away. How many are left? So I want you to show that equation. So we'll have 9 total, it sounds like, right? And 6 of them swim away. So you can X them out or cross them out, 6 of them. And then how many do we have left? And you're going to put that number down here. The challenge again, it's for you to write that equation with those numbers. Put the 9, the symbol of addition or subtraction. I'm not going to tell you which one because I want you to figure it out with those words that we used in the story. And I gave you some hints that they swam away and there are so many left. So is that an addition or are we taking away subtraction? Put the sign, then put the 6, and then equals, and then write what 9, add or subtract 6 equals what. When you are finished, you are going to take a picture on Seesaw of your work.